Howdy toddy, welcome back to Oxford, Mississippi, and another product review. And as you guessed, it's the Toy Explosion Mix. I got 250 pieces here from CandyMachines.com. Just came in the mail today, and I was lucky. We all know how reliable the Postal Service is nowadays. But how y'all been all summer? Comment down below. Have y'all missed me? But I'm going to look through this. I'm intrigued. As we saw on the placard, I want to get the Rubik's Cube. I've never owned one in all these old years of mine. I'll be happy to get a Rubik's Cube, a little tiny padlock, little tiny set of handcuffs. I think that'd be cool as shit. But so far, I haven't seen anything on the placard. Is this bait and switch? Comment down below. Do you sell the same product? Did you get a Rubik's Cube? I'll buy it from you. No, I'm just kidding. But this is pretty cool so far. I'm going to double my money on this shipment. I'm going to sell these for 50 cents each. And as a matter of fact, for the past month or so, I've been selling my 25-cent mechs on eBay. And I've also been selling candy wheels on eBay. Because y'all know I'm only into the gumballs or the capsules. Loose candy does not sell. And I got these mechs and especially these candy wheels free from CandyMachines.com. Because when you order a triple head and you order the extra gumball wheels, you're still going to get the candy wheels. So I've got a ton of these candy wheels, and I'm going to put them on eBay. And someone out there that needs candy wheels for their Rhino or LYPC or China import machines, these will fit. And I've got them cheaper than anybody else. But so far I'm thinking this is bait and switch. Only the frog was on the placard. No race cars. No little compass. Now the compass would be cool, but I wonder if they're accurate. I know my Apple Watch is accurate with a compass app on it. But comment down below. Is there a cheaper place than CandyMachines.com to get a good toy mix that has truth to the placard? I don't know. But if you watched my gold jewelry video review, the good shit was in a plastic bag hidden in the bottom. So if I don't hit pay dirt soon, I'm going to look for that fabled plastic bag hiding in the bottom of the box. But these clear jelly things are kind of cute. I don't want to open up the cellophane. You know, maybe it's sticky. I don't know. But I'll be honest with y'all. The best bargain I found is from gumballstuff.com. And it's the old staple of our industry, sticky hands. I tell you what, for $80, you get 1,000 capsules of sticky hands, 1 inch, with free shipping. And I tell you what, it's always been a great seller for me. But I want a toy mix of good quality, just like the gold jewelry video I did. Now, I was impressed with that. And I do like the capsules of these so far. But if I was a little rugrat and I was hoping for a little pair of handcuffs or something that you saw on the placard, I'd be going for the Rubik's Cube. I don't know, a little tiny Rubik's Cube. What could the quality of that be? How long before it fell apart? Or even if it worked. But I gotta find the Rubik's Cube. Pair of handcuffs. I want to handcuff my pinky fingers together. You know? Toys are fun. But I want y'all to comment down below how your summer's been. Have you grown? I've grown. But I've kind of put a hold on growing because I'm investing in the new 50-cent mechs from my Rhino triple heads. They're finally out. I got my order in. I'm expecting them to come in the next 2 days. And then I've got a lot of work to do. I've got to rotate my machines, bring one home, replace the mix, get them back out there, and at least double my money like I will on this toy mix. Now, if you're not at least doubling your money, then you shouldn't be investing in the product. Or the machine, for that matter. But this is getting frustrating here. I need my Rubik's Cube. There's got to be another little plastic bag in there with the good shit. But I don't see it. But I've been keeping up with my fellow YouTube buddies, and I was kind of shocked here lately. You see them wearing jackets, and I mean, it's been hot here in the South. It got up to 100 degrees just yesterday, today high 95. And I watched these collection videos, and these people are wearing jackets. Who wears jackets? But look at the placard. I think this is bait and switch. What do y'all think? Comment down below a good toy mix, a good quality, and it's actually on the placard. It's tough out there. I don't know. Is it the Chinese thinking that's what little boys and girls here like? Or, I don't know. But thanks for watching. I'm back out reading the mail. Bye-bye.